Hi guys, welcome to Simple Baking with Grandpa and Summer! Yes! Today we're going to be baking cupcakes. Yes! Don't we love cupcakes, Summer?
Yes.
Yes! What's the first thing we need? Number one.
2 cups of flour.
Two cups of flour. Okay, let me see where it is. 1, 2. That was 2 cups of flour. What else do we need today, Summer?
Half a cup of sugar and a bowl.
And a bowl. Okay.
Some eggs.
And some eggs. Have you got any eggs?
Yes.
Yes, 2. 2 eggs. What do we do next? We have to get some cooking oil, don't we?
Yes.
Yes! Where's the oil? I have some right over here. Do you know what we do next, Summer?
We put it in the bowl.
Okay, do you want to put 2 cups of flour in the bowl? 1. 2. Brilliant! What else do we do now?
We put the
Sugar. That's really Grandpa. 2 eggs. 1.
1.
Do you want me to do it?
Yes, please.
1. 2. Grandma can't see. What else do we need today?
Some sugar.
Sugar.
Where's your hat, Grandad?
Oh, I'm a silly sausage. Where did it go? What do we do now, Summer?
We mix it.
Mix it. Do we do the mixing dance?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we mixing?
Yes.
Yes. It's really yummy. How long do we mix it for, Summer?
Around 2 minutes.
2 minutes. 1, 2. Shazam! It's done.
Yay! Forgot to add the oil.
Oh, goodness sake, Grandpa. Here we go. Whoa, bloop. Okay, mix the bowl. Do the mixing dance. Yes, that looks really yummy. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. I hope we make some pink buns today. Pink. Summer, now we add some chocolate chips. Are you ready? Here we go. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir. That looks really yummy now. Is it really ready, Summer?
Yes.
Yes. What? Preheat the oven.
Okay.
Yes. But always remember, ovens are hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Need to pour it into a cupcake bowl.
Good idea, Summer. Are we ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Do you want me to help?
Yes, please.
Brilliant. Scoop it in. Oh, yummy. 1, 2. Oh, I have a great idea. I'll make some blue buns for me. Are we ready?
Yes.
Blue buns for me. Going to be really chocolatey.
Wow, you're gonna get lots of chocolate.
Brilliant. Let's get more chocolate.
What pie?
Whoa.
Too much fat.
Oh my goodness. I went overboard. This is so smooth.
I'm going to open a
Oh, we're going to cook them now. Cupcakes are ready.
Yay!
They look so delicious. What will we do now? Will we decorate them?
Yes, but first...
Yes, sprinkles. Yes. What color do you want?
I think we are going to do these.
It's a great choice. Okay, open it up.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Oh! Whoa! 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 Hey! Whoa! They're going really fun, aren't they? Yes! Oh!
Yay!
Thank you for baking with Grandpa and Summer. Enjoy!